Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can post branded content on TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. Open up TikTok. Once that loads, you'll be on the home page. Now you need to go and upload your TikTok video. For this example, I'll just create one real quick. So I'll tap the plus button and then I'll just record something like 5 seconds or so just for this test of this video. So that should do it. And I'm not going to edit this or anything, so I'll tap on the tick mark and then I'll tap on next just to get to the option what we need to select. So now once you're on the page where you add your description, your hashtags and things like that, you can see right at the bottom you should have an option that says more options. You want to tap on more options and then you'll see some options here. Save to device, and then you get branded content. Disclose the content created as sponsored content. So if you get sponsors on TikTok, this is what you want to do. So you tap on branded content and you'll get a couple of options once you do that. So what you need to do, if you have a sponsor within your TikTok video, you want to toggle that switch on. It says turn on branded content toggle, just like that, and now it is on. And you can even link your post to a TikTok creator marketplace campaign by tapping this button, and that is totally optional, but you might want to do that. And that's all you need to do. So now you can go back and you can close that out and you can begin writing your description, adding your hashtags and things like that, and then you can post that or save it as a draft. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.